I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord key fob battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a fresh CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, which is commonly used in many Honda key fobs. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin. These will help you gently open the key fob casing. Having a clean, well-lit area is also important to keep track of all the tiny components. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small button on the side of your key fob and press it to release the metal emergency key. Slide this key out and set it aside. Next, look for a small slot or seam along the edge of the key fob casing. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, observe how the old battery is positioned. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Gently use your small screwdriver to pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its holder. Be careful not to touch the new battery's terminals with your fingers. Now, insert the fresh CR 2032 battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Almost done. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, confirming they are securely snapped into place. If your fob had a small screw, replace it now. Finally, slide the metal emergency key back into its slot. Test your newly refreshed key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.